What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Bright Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so we're doing a quick tutorial on how to use the inner glow in rectangles, just like what you're seeing here. Okay, so someone asked this in one of the WhatsApp groups that I joined, and I was like, nah, come on, let me just do a quick tutorial on it. Okay, so first of all, you're going to create the rectangle. What you're seeing here is a normal rectangle, but then I just entered the properties and added a few touch-ups to the edges to give it that round effect. So it's more like it's a rectangle. I've transformed it into a rounded rectangle. Yes. So after you have this, you're going to click on the FX here. The effects, going to go to inner glow, and when it pops up, you're going to see a whole lot of things here. You're going to see blend mode, opacity, noise, whatever, the basics, right? So what you want to do is just click the color here and make sure you are selecting the lightest color of the gradient, or like the color that the rectangle has. You understand? So this rectangle has a gradient, so I'm going to choose light blue because it's light blue that is going to work with how do you call it, the rectangle. So let me create one here real quick. So this is the rectangle I've selected. I'm going to drag it like this. Nice. Then you see the properties just popped up, so I'm just going to drag the edge for it to have like a very perfect rounded edges. Nice. Should in case you want to do something on the edges on only one part, you're just going to click on it. Then you see this chain here, you just click on it. It means they are not linked. You understand? So if you drag this side, you're going to drag only one side. I hope you understand. So yes, with this one, I'm just going to bring back the connected sign to make sure they're all connected. Then you click on it, select gradient overlay, and have any random gradient that you want to use. With this one, let me just use this pink guy, right? Let me remove the black, something like this. Okay, then after you're done, you're just going to enter into inner glow, right? So when you enter into the inner glow, they're going to give you something like this, like the basics. You click, then you select, or you click on the pink here. You're going to have, I think it's selecting black because the original color for the rectangle was black, but all the same, you can still select somewhere here. Then you select pink here, light pink in this side here. You click on OK, and you make sure the size is enough. Sorry, my microphone just electrocuted my lips, that's why I said this, but all right. So you make sure the size is enough. Something like this is cool. And yeah, after you're done, you can just click on OK and you're good to go. You can do this for literally any kind of, you can even do this to like a text or something, you understand? So it's very simple, and you can use this in your daily artworks. Yes. So guys, that's it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.